Shalom. Shalom Alaikum. Say this your round, you heard me? Masha, Menace. Welcome to Empowering Preeminence Multimedia Productions. Let me get straight to the point, man. Single motherhood produces the most effective form of a bear market. Now, why do I say that? What is a bear market? Well, in the context of economics and investments, a bear market is when the prices of a company descends. It goes down. It goes down a slippery slope. Like right now, AMC stocks for a long time has been descending. Just June last year, that sucker was like $72 per share. If I'm not mistaken, it's like between $13 and $14 as we speak. You understand? So let's say you invested in, let's say you bought 2 shares at McDonald's. You understand? I don't know what stock price is at McDonald's, but let's say McDonald's is at $35 a share. Like I said, I'm not sure because I don't pay attention to McDonald's stock price. But let's say it's at $35 per share. And all of a sudden, 2 weeks later, it goes from $35 to $17. It's called a bear market because the price is lowering. Now, the lower the price, you understand, the greater your chances into increasing your portfolio, because it's going to get high again in due season. So if you invest in single mothers, believe me, you are never going to see a bull market. A bull market is when you start to see your stock portfolio or your crypto portfolio ascends, because it's about that season to where the price range of what you're invested in is going up. It's elevating. You best believe when you invest in single mothers, that $1,000 that you spent on her and her kid over the weekend between Saturday and Sunday, believe me, you're not going to see a return of your investment. And not only that you're not going to see a return, but you for damn sure not going to see any interest. You dig? So when you invest in the single mother, you understand, your money's going down the drain. You heard me? That's like that's like I remember last week I was watching somebody on Twitch TV, and they was talking about they actually showed a clip from The Simpsons where one of the kids from The Simpsons put in, I think, $10 worth of quarters, I think 40 quarters, to play this game called Waterworld, which is based upon a movie that Kevin Costner did back in 95, 96. And he moved the man. The man took one step, and immediately it was game over. So it was a ripoff. The dude invested 40 quarters just to play this one game, and all he did was take one piece forward using the controller of the arcade joystick with the main player, and immediately game over. That's exactly what investing in single mother is like. Single mothers is like. You put all that money on these broads. You put all that money on some pre-owned pawn shop vagina. You dig? And what are you getting in return? You're getting nothing in return but more hurt. Because it's not you that she's interested in, she's interested in your resources. You see what I'm saying? She playing the game raw. You understand? She's playing for keeps. You heard me? and she's using you. She's using you as an ATM machine. You heard me? Because that's all you is to her, an ATM machine. So never invest in single motherhood. You heard me? Single mothers is the worst formula of investment in the history of the investment circuit. In the history of the investment circuit, single motherhood is the worst formula, the worst format, the worst shape. You heard me? Of investment in the history of the investment circumference. Because they will drain you. They will milk your ass down like NFL game manager quarterback will milk down the clock. You dig? So keep that in mind. Never invest in single mothers. You understand? If they don't invest in you, then they ain't no good to you. You heard me? Never invest in single mothers, man. You do better off investing a couple of dollars into a Squid Game meme crypto coin and get a rug pull. And that's bad too. But when you invest in single mothers, man, you automatically gonna get a rug pull. You're never gonna get a return of your investment. You understand? So for that, I say hit that like button, hit that share button, and hit that subscribe button, you heard me? And for that, I say shalom alaikum. Peace.
38, 39, 40 quarters. This better be good.
Game over. Please deposit 40 quarters.
What a rip!